Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be going over some Revit shortcuts that I think will be useful in the future. So the first one that I came up with was CM, which allows you to place a component. So as you can see, I hit C, well, you can't see that I hit CM, but I hit CM and a component popped up, which is a desk. So I can place the component wherever I want. Another one is DI, which is dimension alignment. So if my dimensions weren't aligned, I could align them just by hitting DI. Another one I can do is FR, which is find/replace. So you can find something that you're looking for, say FR. You can just find something or replace it. So your entire project, just whatever you're looking for, you can find it and replace it with that. Another thing you can do is LI, which is a model line, which is helpful for when you're creating closets and such, when you're trying to add your closet poles and your shelving. Another thing you can do is MD, which is just modify. So MD, you can modify it. You have to click the line and then modify will just pop up. TX is text, so you can create a text box wherever you want just from hitting TX and type in it. Short cuts. AL is align, so I can align two objects. Now they're aligned. AR, array, so I can array stuff. CC is copy, so if I hit that and then hit CC, I can copy it. CS is create similar, so I can click on something, CS, create similar, click it, and now I'm creating more model lines because that is what that line was. DE is delete, so now I can delete those model lines because I don't need them. Click it, DE, and it'll delete. I can mirror an object by hitting MM. Now it's going to mirror across an axis. And if I select some stuff, so I select those and I hit HH, it'll hide it. As you can see, it says temporary hide/isolation, and if I hit HR, it'll return the hidden objects. And then LW, I can create line works. So you have your category of lines and you can modify your line works. And then lastly, I have RO, which is rotate. So I can click on something, RO, and rotate it, which is helpful for furniture and other things that might need to be rotated. And that's all that I really have for this video, just a few simple shortcuts that will probably be useful if you use them. And that's it.